Montreal, Canada, and I just want to talk a bit about my experience up in the northeast of India. So that means Assam and Guwahati specifically. So yeah, I went there a couple months ago in about February 2019 on the recommendation of a friend of a friend. Not knowing what to expect, I arrived and I'll say very positive. Definitely a place that if you're not sure where to go in India, it's definitely a good place to be, especially if you're a nature lover. So just to give you a couple ideas, I saw so many beautiful things such as the waterfalls. We went down to a place called Cherrapunjee in the Meghalaya, I think that's how you pronounce it, area. And so we had some double root bridges, which are absolutely amazing things to see. I also saw some amazing waterfalls, swam in these lakes, saw some amazing caves. All this which I really did not expect to see. So that's definitely something you can do. A couple hours south of Guwahati, and then in Guwahati itself, which is the main capital, the hub, there's a couple really interesting temples. You've got, I think it's Pocatera, it's a rhino sanctuary, absolutely beautiful. You've got a planetarium, you've got a zoo. So you've got a nice mix of stuff to see in the city, the urban life, but then also the nature is absolutely untouched. Definitely worth the trip. So if you have the chance, definitely I'd recommend it. I do have to say a big thanks to Steven, Sam, and Rubel. Thanks to you guys, it was an amazing trip. So anyways, whoever's watching this, definitely recommend the Northeast India. Bye.
Ja, da.